Hello, my name is Joshlyn Mensah, and I am a junior at St. Francis College. My research topic is the relationship between fish consumption and human health. This study aims to discover whether the consumption of fish has more favorable health outcomes than harm. In addition to that, we will also observe the positive and negative effects of fish dietary patterns on bone mineral density. It is known that fish has several nutritional and dietary factors such as healthy omega-3 oils found in a variety of fish such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna. These fish types have contributed to maintaining bone health, preventing loss of bone mineral density, and reducing the risk of osteoporosis in middle and old age. Fish is rich in proteins and nutrients such as N3 polysaturated fatty acids and vitamin D. This suggests an adequate serving of fish might be recommended to protect against bone loss and osteoporosis. The health risk that is observed in consuming fish is the likeliness of high levels of contaminants such as methylmercury and PCB accumulation. When it comes to the methodology of this benefit-risk observational study, levels of PCBs are detected by using a gas chromatography, GC, coupled to an electron capture detector, ECD. Mercury levels are detected by using urine and blood samples. According to the Food and Drug Administration, there is a set maximum permissible level of 1 part of methylmercury in a million parts of seafood. Common fish consumed such as catfish and tilapia meets these standards. Catfish contains 0.025 parts per million. Tilapia contains 0.013 parts per million. Therefore, the recommended serving according to this illustration shows 1 serving of fish per week should be consumed. No consumption of fish that contain higher than 1.9 milligrams over kilograms of PCBs should be served. PCB exposure to human health is linked to various cancers, as well as to damage of the nervous, reproductive, and immune systems. Okay, in this illustration, we see a trend of PCBs concentration in nanograms over grams in 4 lake trouts, Superior, Huron, Erie, and Ontario over a span of 30 years from 1976 to 2006. Fortunately, in each graph, PCB levels have decreased over time. Fish rich in N3 polyunsaturated fatty acids have been suggested to have a favorable effect on bone health. The consumption of fish is positively associated with bone mass and negatively associated with the risk of osteoporosis. The roles of calcium and vitamin D are well established in bone health. Okay. It is recommended that consuming 1 to 2 servings per week of low contaminant fish can benefit consumers' health. Little additional benefit is obtained by consuming more than that amount. Also, it is suggested to rarely eat more than 4 servings of fish within a week. This study suggests that protein intake from fish is not harmful to bone. In particular, negative effects on bone linked to fish dietary pattern are almost null. A future study that I would be interested in conducting is a comparison study on the effects of meat and fish dietary patterns on bone mineral density. Lastly, I would like to thank Dr. Nolan for her contribution in this observational study.